One small phrase and powerful impact. Let's see. Fair enough. આ એક phrase છે. That means that's remarkable. I understand your point. તમારી વાત યોગ્ય છે. મને તમારી વાત સમજાય છે. Now real life examples. When someone say, I can come today. I have an important meeting. Reply, fair enough. Now another example. Next one. When someone say, I prefer studying in the morning because I can concentrate better. Reply, fair enough. So friends, don't say okay every time. Use this small phrase, fair enough. It sounds natural, mature and conversational. 2 words and powerful impression. Fair enough. See you in the next reel.